Okay, class 9 students. Today we will try to solve some numerical problem based on mole concept. Let us solve the first question because mole concept, main idea of mole concept we have got earlier, and how to solve numerical problem today we are going to see. Numerical problem of mole concept, we have to rely on two facts. First, what is mole? Mole gives the amount of number of atoms, and number of molecules. And second, in terms of mass of atoms and mass of molecules. So let us solve the numerical problem in mole concept. First question. A sample of vitamin C contains 2.48 into 10 to the power 25 oxygen atoms. A sample of vitamin C contains 2.48 into 10 to the power 5 oxygen atoms. How many moles of oxygen atom are present? How many moles of oxygen atoms are present in the sample? How to solve this type of question? First, we know that 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms of oxygen will be 1 mole of oxygen atom. One mole atom of oxygen. So, one atom will be 1 divided by moles. So, what is given? 2.48. Two point four eight into 10 to the power 25. So if you are talking number of moles, then 2.48 divided by 6.022 and then 10 to the power 25 minus 23. So when we are talking about dividing this, then we will get the number of moles. That is 248 divided by 6.022. How much this will come? This will come approximately 41.18 mole. So this is answer. 41.18 mole of oxygen atoms are present. Answer. So this type of question could be solved in this manner. Now next question, calculate the total number of ions in 0.585 gram of sodium chloride. In sodium chloride, what happens? Sodium plus ion is there, chlorine minus ion is there. That is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, sodium plus, chlorine minus. So they are actually, we can say, in one molecule of sodium chloride, two ions are present. So first we will convert this gram into number of moles of sodium chloride. So what is molecular weight of sodium chloride? Molecular mass of sodium chloride sodium has 23 gram, or we can say, if you are talking about molecular mass or gram molecular mass, 23 gram, and chlorine 35.5. So in molecular mass or gram molecular mass. So let us calculate gram molecular mass. So we can express in gram. 58.5 gram. So 1 gram molecular mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 gram. That means 1 mole sodium chloride is 58.5 gram. So if 58.5 gram sodium chloride is 1 mole of sodium chloride. So 1 gram इसलिए so if you want to write 0.585 gram 0.585 gram of sodium chloride. So this is the number of moles. If you are talking about this calculation, one by 100 mole, but we can say 0.01 mole of sodium chloride. Now, in 1 mole of sodium chloride, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are present. So 0.01 mole, how much it will be present? So 0.01 mole of sodium chloride, that is 0.585 gram contains this much number of molecules of sodium chloride. Now, each molecule of sodium chloride contains two ions, one sodium plus and another chlorine minus. So, what will happen here? Sodium plus, chlorine minus, two ions. So, this much number of molecules will contain 2 into this much. So, these are the number of ions. So, this is our answer. 12.044 into 10 to the power 21 number of ions, in which half are sodium ion and half are this chlorine ions, sodium plus ion and chlorine minus ion. Now, I have to solve different type of question. Let us solve another question. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur S8 present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. 16 gram of solid sulfur. Calculate the number of molecules of sulfur S8 present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. To calculate the number of molecules of sulfur acid present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. First, we can calculate gram molecular mass of sulfur acid. So it will be 256 gram. Now we can calculate number of moles also, that is present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. Calculate the number of molecules. We are calculating molecules. So In 1 mole, it will be 6.022 into 10 power 23. So how many moles are there? 16 gram, how many moles? So it will be how much? 1 by 16 mole. So 1 by 16 mole acid. Now 1 mole acid is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules of acid. So 1 by 16. So approximately how much? It will be 3.76 into 10 to the power 22 number of molecules of acid. So that means our question was 16 gram of solid sulfur acid. So first we got gram molecular mass or molar mass, then we calculated number of moles present in 16 gram of acid, that is 1 by 16 mole, and we know that each mole S8 has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules of acid. So what will be 1 by 16 mole? We calculated. So this is our strategy. One question as an assignment I am giving, you will solve. Calculate the number of aluminum ions in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. Calculate the number of aluminum ions calculate the number of aluminum ions in 0.051 gram of aluminum oxide. Al2O3. What will be the steps? First, we should know that each molecule will contain 2 aluminum ions. So how much will be 0.51 gram of aluminum oxide? First we calculate in mole. This in mole. And each mole has 6.022 into 10 power 23 molecules of Al2O3. So in each molecule 2 ions aluminum. So in 1 mole of aluminum oxide, 2 into 6.022 into 23 ions are present. So in that much mole, how much are present? So this will be strategy to solve the question. Okay students, thank you.